Let me ask you a serious question. If graduating from university was the key to success, why are so many graduates struggling right now? Why do we have graduates driving ride-hailing cars? Graduates doing jobs that don't require a degree? Graduates sending out hundreds of CVs with no response? And here's the most painful part. Some of these graduates did everything right. They studied hard, they avoided trouble, they followed the rules, yet somehow they feel like they were left behind. Today we're talking about why graduates are struggling in the AI era, not from a motivational angle, not from a work harder angle, but from a reality-based perspective. Because if you don't understand what's really happening, you'll keep blaming yourself for a problem that is bigger than you. Stay with me, because what we'll cover today explains why degrees feel weaker than before, why AI is shaking the job market, and why graduates must rethink their value entirely. For a long time, society ran on a simple formula: education, degree, job, stability, success. That system worked when jobs changed slowly, but the world doesn't move slowly anymore. AI didn't just improve technology, it compressed time. What used to take 10 employees, 5 years of experience. An entire department can now be done by one person with the right AI tools in a fraction of the time. This isn't theory. This is already happening. Companies are quietly asking, why hire 5 graduates when one person plus AI can do the same work? That single question alone explains why the graduate job market feels tight. It's not that graduates are useless. It's that efficiency is now more valuable than headcount. Here's an uncomfortable truth. Most universities are not broken. They are outdated. Universities were designed for industrial economies, predictable career paths, stable professions. But AI thrives in speed, adaptability, constant change. So while students are learning fixed curriculums, static textbooks, exam-focused knowledge, the real world is demanding flexible thinking, tool fluency, continuous learning. And here's the problem. AI doesn't care about your CGPA. AI doesn't care about your transcript. AI doesn't care how hard your exams were. It only cares about output. If a graduate cannot convert knowledge into value, the market moves on, fast. This part is critical. In the past, education was powerful because information was scarce. To learn something, you needed a lecturer, a library. Years of access today? AI can explain law concepts, engineering principles, marketing strategies, programming logic in seconds. This means knowledge has become cheap. But what hasn't become cheap? Judgment, creativity, decision-making, problem-solving. Graduates who only bring theoretical knowledge are competing against a machine that never sleeps. That's why many graduates feels, everything I learned is online. Because it is. The value has shifted from knowing to doing. Let's talk honestly. Many graduates leave school with high expectations, low practical confidence. They know what something is, but not how to use it. Meanwhile, AI tools are empowering people to design faster, write better, analyze deeper, automate workflows. So the competition is no longer graduate versus graduate. It's now graduate versus graduate plus AI versus self-taught AI users versus global freelancers. The market doesn't reward effort. It rewards impact. And AI magnifies impact. This is one of the biggest reasons graduates are stuck. Traditionally, graduates started with junior roles, routine tasks, simple responsibilities. But those exact tasks are the easiest to automate, the first to be replaced. AI now handles drafting, sorting, scheduling, basic analysis. So companies skip hiring juniors and say, we need someone experienced. Graduates aren't rejected because they're bad. They're rejected because the ladder itself is disappearing. Let's slow down here. Because behind the statistics are real people. Graduates feeling ashamed, confused, pressured, questioning their worth. Many start believing, my degree was a mistake. But here's the truth most people won't say. Your degree didn't fail you. The transition happened too fast. AI didn't wait for graduation ceremonies. It arrived while people were still studying for exams. Now, this is the turning point. Some graduates are not struggling. They are freelancing globally, building digital products, working remotely, leveraging AI daily. What's the difference? They stopped asking, what job fits my degree? And started asking, how can my degree create value with AI? They treat AI as a teammate, not a threat. A multiplier, not a shortcut. They build proof, not promises. Skills, not excuses. Portfolios, not just CVs. Degrees are not dying, but degree-only thinking is. The future belongs to graduates who learn faster than the system, adapt before being forced, combine thinking plus tools, stay relevant intentionally. AI won't replace graduates. It will replace graduates who refuse to evolve. If you're a graduate watching this, you are not behind. You're not broken. You're standing at a crossroads. One path is waiting for the old system to return. The other is learning how to win in the new one. If this video added value, like it, share it with a graduate who needs clarity. Subscribe for honest conversations about AI, careers, and the future. This channel exists to help you adapt, not panic. See you in the next video.